Bread without the blood sugar spike bread is everywhere: toast at breakfast, sandwiches at lunch, buns at dinner. But most standard loaves are refined, carb-heavy, and often sneak in added sugars that can spike blood glucose fast. That doesn't mean bread-like foods are off limits. It means choosing smarter. In this guide, you'll discover 8 satisfying alternatives that help steady blood sugar while delivering flavor, fiber, and real nutrition. You'll see what to pick, what to skip, simple serving ideas, and how to swap without feeling deprived. 100% whole wheat tortillas. Whole wheat tortillas keep all parts of the grain, the bran, germ, and endosperms. They bring fiber, B vitamins, minerals, and a slower, steadier glucose response than white bread. A typical whole wheat tortilla generally has fewer calories and more fiber than 2 slices of white bread, making it an easy upgrade. What to look for on the label: 100% whole wheat or 100% whole grain. As the first ingredient is greater than or equal to 3 grams fiber per serving, minimal added sugars, 0 to 2 grams. Short ingredient list. Avoid hydrogenated oils. How to use them: breakfast wraps with eggs, spinach, avocado, turkey, tomato, cucumber, atisas, with peppers, onions, mushrooms, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. What to skip: white flour tortillas and most corn tortillas if they're low in fiber or fried. Both tend to spike faster and may include added fats or sugars. To sprout a grain bread, for example. Ezekiel sprouting breaks down some starch, increases nutrient availability, and typically lowers the glycemic punch compared with refined breads. Sprouted loaves like Ezekiel combine several grains and legumes, boosting fiber and plant protein for better satiety and a smoother glucose curve. Why it works more: fiber plus protein equals slower digestion, naturally nutrient-dense iron, magnesium. B vitamins often lower glycemic impact than standard whole wheat loaves. Smart. Servings: 1 slice topped with avocado and tuna-face tuna salad with celery and lemon egg spinach. Toast with a sprinkle of chili flakes. Pro tip: keep it frozen and toast slices as needed to prevent waste and maintain texture. 3 lettuce wraps. Crunchy, refreshing, and extremely low in carbs. Large lettuce leaves make a surprisingly satisfying wrap. Romaine offers extra nutrients and structure. Iceberg's broad leaves are easy to fold. Build your wrap base: romaine or iceberg leaves. Double up for sturdiness. Protein: grilled chicken, turkey, tofu, egg salad, Greek yogurt, base crunch, cucumber. Bell peppers, shredded carrots, light amounts, creaminess. Avocado, or a small smear of hummus flavor. Mustard, salsa, lemon juice. Herbs. Best part: massive volume for very few carbs. A deal for big appetites without big spikes. 4. Almond bread. Manned flour is naturally low in digestible carbs and rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Almond bread is satisfying, moist, and far friendlier to blood sugar than white bread. Why it's helpful: low net carbs and a solid fiber to carb ratio, healthy. Fats, slow gastric emptying, and improve satiety. Pairs well with savory or lightly sweet toppings. Keep it balanced. Slice moderately. It's calorie dense. Top with eggs, smoked salmon, and cucumber, or ricotta with cinnamon and a few berries. If baking at home, add psyllium husk or ground flax for extra structure and fiber. Note: because it's richer, smaller portions go a long way. Think quality over quantity. 5 portobello mushroom buns. Thick, meaty portobello caps are a flavorful stand-in for burger buns. They're naturally low in carbs, deliver minerals like potassium and phosphorus, and bring a savory umami profile that makes burgers taste indulgent without the bread. How to pre-remove stems and gills. If desired, brush lightly with olive oil. Sprinkle salt, pepper, roast, or grill until tender but still sturdy. Let excess moisture cook off. Build your stacked turkey or salmon burger. Pata tomato, onion, arugula, avocado, or a swipe of mustard. Eat with a knife and fork if it's juicy worth. It's 6 bell pepper sandwiches. Bell peppers are crisp, colorful, and very low glycemic. Split a large pepper, remove seeds, and use the halves as bread. The natural sweetness pairs beautifully with savory fillings. Filling: a seared chicken, salad, Greek yogurt, plus celery, plus dill, turkey, cheddar, and spinach with grainy mustard hummus, cucumber, olives, and feta. For a Mediterranean crunch nutrient bonus. Vitamin C, vitamin A, beta-carotene, potassium, and antioxidants that support heart health. 7 eggplant rollops. Eggplant is mostly water, low in carbs, and rich in phytonutrients like anthocyanins and chlorogenic acid. Long roasted slices roll beautifully around fillings for a breadless wrap. How to make: slice lengthwise, pinch, thick, brush lightly with olive oil. Season and roast until pliable. Fill with ricotta plus spinach, or turkey plus pesto, or tofu plus basil roll. Return to the oven with tomato sauce for a baked rollatini vibe. Serving tip: pair with a side salad or roasted non-starchy veg to round out the plate. 8 cucumber subs. Cool, crunchy, and ultra-hydrating cucumbers make excellent mini subs. Slice lengthwise, scoop a channel, and pack them like boats. Stuff it: combo tuna plus celery plus lemon, plus dill smoked salmon, plus cream cheese light, plus chives chicken. Avocado and salsa with cilantro. Why? It's great, very low carb, refreshing, and quick. Perfect hot weather option that doesn't weigh you down. Choosing the best option for you. Quick guide: want lowest carbs. Lettuce wraps, cucumber subs, portobello buns. Want bread-like feel. Sprouted grain bread, almond bread, whole wheat tortillas. Want warm, comforting eggplant rollops. Toasted sprouted bread, warm tortilla wraps in the go. Whole wheat tortilla pinwheels, pre-roasted eggplant slices. Pairing and plate method: half the plate. Non-starchy vegetables, greens, broccoli, peppers, zucchini, palm-sized portion. Protein: eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, cottage cheese, fat thumb or 2. Olive oil, avocado. Nuts, seeds for satiety and a gentler curve carb base. Your bread alternative: choose the lowest glycemic ones for most meals. Test with your meter. Note your reading before, then 1 to 2 hours after eating. Keep the options that give you steady numbers and drop the ones that spike you, as everyone's response is a little different. Fast flavor boosters: no sugar bombs, acid, lemon, lime, vinegar, balsamic, red wine, rice, herbs, spices, basil, dill, parsley, cilantro, oregano, cumin, smoked paprika, chili flakes, creamy light, Greek yogurt plus herbs, tahini plus lemon, mashed avocado plus lime, umami, mustard, low sodium, tamari soy. Miso: a little goes far. Sample: 7-day no spike sandwich planman. Lettuce wrap, turkey club turkey. Tomato, cucumber, avocado Tuesday. Portobello burger plus arugula salad with lemon olive oil wed. Sprouted grain toast. Ricotta, tomato. Basil plus side veg Thursday. Eggplant rollops with spinach ricotta. Simple marinara free. Bell pepper subs with chicken salad and dill pickle sat. Almond bread avocado toast plus soft boiled egg. Chili flake soon. Whole wheat tortilla breakfast wrap. Eggs, peppers, spinach. Practical shopping tips: freed labels, fiber 3 grams. Serving. Added sugars 2 grams, short ingredient lists. Buy sprouted loaves from the freezer section and toast as needed. Keep romaine, cucumbers, and bell peppers prepped for quick builds. Roast eggplant and portobellos in batches. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 days. Conclusion: bread doesn't have to be the villain, refined bread does. With these 8 alternatives, you'll keep the joy of sandwiches, burgers, hand wraps while lowering your glucose load, boosting fiber, and adding real nutrients. Start with 2 or 3 favorites this week, test your responses, and stack wins. Small swaps repeated daily Change your numbers and how you feel. Tell us which swap you'll try first. Drop your own favorite combos in the comments and share this with someone who needs delicious diabetes smart ideas.